Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our second-degree assault defense lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with second-degree assault in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your second-degree assault charge. Contact one of our Missouri second-degree assault defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all second-degree assault defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our second-degree assault defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Second-degree assault defense lawyers in Missouri. If you've been charged with second-degree assault in Missouri, you're facing a felony offense that can result in prison time, fines, and a permanent record. Our experienced St. Louis criminal defense and violent crimes lawyers understand how prosecutors approach these cases, and we know how to fight back. Combs Waterkotte will help you challenge the evidence, negotiate reductions, or defend your case at trial. What is second-degree assault in Missouri? Under Missouri Revised Statute, Section 565.052, second-degree assault is a felony that covers 6 different situations, all involving serious physical injury, use of weapons, or reckless behavior. This charge can carry significant penalties, including years in prison. You can be charged with second-degree assault in Missouri if you allegedly cause or attempt to cause serious physical injury to someone under the influence of sudden passion, like during a fight. Intentionally cause physical injury by using a deadly weapon or dangerous object. Recklessly cause serious physical injury to someone else. Recklessly injure someone by discharging a firearm. Cause physical injury while driving away from police or fleeing arrest. Strangle or choke someone by impeding their breath or circulation. The takeaway: even if you didn't mean to hurt someone, you can still be charged under this law if your actions were reckless or involved a weapon. And if the alleged victim is a special victim, the penalties are even more severe. What are the penalties for second-degree assault in Missouri? In Missouri, second-degree assault is typically charged as a Class D felony. But if the alleged victim is a special victim, such as a police officer, emergency responder, or elderly person, the charge becomes a Class B felony with much harsher consequences. Class D felony penalties: 1 to 7 years in prison. Possible supervised probation up to 4 years. Fines up to $10,000. Class B felony penalties: 5 to 15 years in prison. No probation in many cases. Who qualifies as a special victim under Missouri law? Law enforcement officers, firefighters, and emergency medical personnel. Individuals 60 years or older. Persons with disabilities. Transit or utility workers performing duties. Important: other factors, like the use of a weapon, the degree of injury, or reckless behavior, don't change the felony class, but they can influence how the case is charged and what sentence a judge might impose. Can second-degree assault charges be reduced in Missouri? Yes, second-degree assault charges can be reduced or even dismissed in certain situations, especially when handled by an experienced St. Louis second-degree assault defense lawyer early in the case. Prosecutors may agree to a lesser charge if there are weaknesses in the evidence or mitigating circumstances. common reasons charges are reduced. The injury was minor or unintentional. You acted in self-defense. You have no prior criminal record. The alleged victim does not want to press charges. There is insufficient or conflicting witness testimony. First-time offenders may be eligible for diversion programs, probation, or reduced charges that avoid a felony record, but only if the case is handled proactively. Waiting too long to mount a defense can limit your options. The takeaway: a strong legal strategy filed early can make the difference between a felony conviction and a second chance. What are legal defenses to second-degree assault in Missouri? Second-degree assault charges can often be challenged using a range of legal defenses, especially when the alleged conduct involved confusion, minimal injury, or self-defense. Prosecutors must prove every element of the charge beyond a reasonable doubt, and experienced attorneys can use that to your advantage. Common defenses in Missouri's second-degree assault cases include self-defense or defense of others. You acted to protect yourself or someone else from immediate harm. No serious injury. The alleged harm doesn't meet Missouri's legal definition of serious physical injury. No weapon present. The prosecution claims a weapon was involved, but no evidence supports it. Accidental conduct. You did not act intentionally or recklessly. It was a mistake, not a crime. False accusations or unreliable witnesses. There are inconsistencies in the story, or the evidence doesn't add up. The takeaway: even serious assault charges can be beaten with the right defense. But timing, strategy, local experience, and having an experienced St. Louis second-degree assault lawyer by your side make all the difference. Common types of second-degree assault in Missouri. Missouri's second-degree assault law defines 6 main forms of conduct under Section 565.052 Revised Statutes of Missouri. Below is a simplified breakdown with local case-style examples. Conduct under Section 565.052. Sudden passion injury. Injury with a weapon. Reckless serious injury. Reckless firearm injury. Injury while fleeing, resisting. Strangulation/choking. Missouri examples: punch during domestic dispute. Knife used in bar scuffle. Tackle broke victim's arm. Shot fired at house party. Fleeing hit officer's leg. Choked driver during argument. Why you need a St. Louis felony assault lawyer. Felony assault charges carry serious prison time and life-altering consequences. A skilled St. Louis defense lawyer can challenge the evidence, negotiate with prosecutors, and work to reduce or dismiss charges, especially when injuries or intent are in question. Contact a Missouri second-degree assault lawyer today. Don't face second-degree assault charges alone. Combs Waterkotte Street. Louis criminal defense lawyers are ready to help you fight back, starting with a free consultation. Call our St. Louis office today at 314-900-HELP or contact us online to discuss your options and protect your future.